Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline. You've seen a lot of videos lately from us on Cybertruck, but guess what? We're back at the mothership today, picking up a brand new Model 3 Highland. And we waited a little bit so we could get a performance model. We've got an incredible roadmap of new product coming your way for the Tesla Model 3 Highland. Check us out here in a couple seconds. We're about to pick up our brand new one. All right, let's go get it.
All right, guys, let's go.
How you guys doing, man?
There he is, the man. It's delivery time.
Yes, sir. You know it. You know it.
Let's go check this thing out.
Sir.
Oh, that looks good. Nice and fresh. You gotta love that red too. That's gonna match the S we drove here. Say goodbye to the stock look. The one and only, the one-day special. T-Sportline's about to dial this thing in. Stay tuned, guys.